could be your hero, but I can't get out of bed. There's too much in my head. I could be more faithful.
Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emily, and today I am going to be filming a workday in my life video. I got this idea by Natalie Barbu. She does a lot of these day in my lives as a business owner, entrepreneur, on her YouTube channel. So I wanted to kind of do a similar one so you guys can see what a typical day is for me. I decided to film today because it's not going to be the busiest day. There is literally no way that I can film on a busy day. I just wouldn't feel comfortable. It would definitely stress me out. So today is Wednesday, January 6th. Happy New Year, by the way. I want to take these first few days of January to kind of slow down with all the work stuff that I have and do more of my planning and organizing and just like mentally getting back on track. Because of course with the holidays and everything, I'm sure you got like a little sidetracked or not sidetracked, but you were just obviously like enjoying that holiday time with friends and family, but now it's time to like buckle down and get back to business. So yeah, this week is gonna be a little more chill, especially today. So excited to be filming that. As you guys saw in the beginning of this video, I woke up at about 6:30, 6:40, something like that. I got my workout in. I had to go drop off some boxes to UPS for Amazon and for online orders. And I got home, had my protein shake, I showered, I did my morning routine, and I did my makeup and hair a little bit, and it is now, so it's 10 a.m. It's a little bit later than I would typically start. I wake up and I look on my phone, check my emails, check on Instagram a little bit, which a lot of people say not to do that in the morning, but like I need to do that in the morning in order to see if I need to add anything to my to-do list or things like that. So yeah, I did that, and typically I would not be looking like this at 10 a.m. Like I'm not like looking like this, but I knew I was going to be filming and I need to work on a campaign today, just a quick campaign for Instagram. So I obviously wanted to do my makeup and hair for that. So that was my morning so far. I also was just like looking at emails and stuff, but luckily, like I said, it's not too crazy. So what I do next is basically just look at my planner and look at everything I have listed down. If there's anything that I did not complete yesterday, I bring it back down to the next day. But yesterday I did do quite a bit that I wanted to, which is good. And throughout the day I'm just like adding stuff. I have like little sticky notes of things that I need, like extra stuff. Nothing too crazy today, like I said, but I do have to add some extra stuff on there, so I'm gonna do that right now and then check some emails really quick. And then I'm starting to get hungry and need my coffee because I still haven't had it. So let's work on that and then I'll get started on some breakfast. Oh, and by the way, we are in my office space, you know, the second bedroom that I have in my apartment, but it's not ready yet. I literally, let me just show you what I have. It's not looking that hot right now. This is literally what I have. And then over here I have like Christmas stuff that I have to take back home. And then I have moisture meters to send to Amazon and for orders. Yeah, it's not great, but I'm working on the makeover for this very soon. And I also have another shipment of my moisture meters that are arriving by the end of next week. So really want to like get this set up and ready, hopefully before they come, because then this room is going to be full of boxes and probably also half of my living room or something. Yeah, let's go ahead and get started on those emails.
All I need is 21 days and I'm fine.
Alright, let's make some breakfast because I am starving now. Alright, so I didn't have that many emails, which is fine, and throughout the day I just check anyways. I'm gonna make some food. I like to watch some stuff on YouTube usually. I am catching up on a bunch of Gary Vee videos that I haven't been watching. So right now I'm watching one that he posted a month ago. Nothing holds you back more than your own excuses. So gonna listen to that while I make some food. I'm going to be having half of this avocado. I'm gonna have an egg and goodness, what else? And I'm just gonna make like breakfast tacos. Let's do that.
I could be your hero, but I can't get out of bed. There's too much in my head. I could be more faithful, but I fail at that.
If you guys haven't tried this salsa, you need to get on it. That's literally my favorite one.
I wanna be good to myself. Love hard to bring more, drink less.
Well, that was a really good breakfast. I'm making it a habit to be using my well journal. So it's just a way for me to keep track of what I'm eating. I think that writing it down just really helps you stay on track and make sure that you're eating healthy. I'm gonna go ahead and log that and then continue with some emails because I saw some stuff come in, and then I need to make some phone calls.
But maybe I don't ever wanna put.
Hello?
Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, good. Just headed to work now.
Nice.
And you?
Good, just doing some work. I am actually filming a work day in my life. So you are on camera right now.
Awesome. All right.
Stop all that, I'm sure, but I'm just.
Alright, just got off the phone with my brother. I forgot I had posted at 9:30 today, so I've just been like responding to comments and messages on Instagram and stuff. I make sure to post at 9:30, and then if I miss that time, then I'll think about posting at noon, and if not, then I'll hold off on posting, because on my analytics, it tells me what times are best to post. I like to have that as like a schedule. Just been doing a little bit of that, and now I have to call Amazon because I really need to work on this stuff. And then every morning, usually like before this time, I make it a habit to check on my campaigns for Amazon. Like, you need to spend a lot of money on marketing in the beginning, obviously, like when you first have a product, because you want it to do well. So I'm just checking on the campaigns right now. It does pretty well in the mornings because every day your budget restarts and it basically just eats up my budget, and then by this time we're out of budget. It's like competitive. Like, I don't want to be spending too much on marketing, but kind of have to. So I've been like watching videos on YouTube and everything, and I've been doing everything the right way. It just really depends on your category and what you're selling. It just so happens that in mine, my competitors are paying a lot of money in marketing. Everything's been going well though, so really happy about that.
Seller support. We are here to help and support you in selling on Amazon.
Yeah, so I'm calling because
I don't really care what they all say.
In Canada, am I correct?
yeah, so my product is already available in the US. It's fulfilled by Amazon, but I want to be able to have it on the Canada website now as well.
Comes down to you, you are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling.
Oh my gosh, I would get my desk delivery the moment they answer me on Amazon. I'm gonna just take a look at the email that I got sent that I've been waiting for. I wanna get my moisture meters available on Canada's website for Amazon, so I'm gonna work on that today. And I also want to work on getting my website set up so that whenever people order the moisture meter off of my website, Amazon is still fulfilling them. So I just have to like connect both. So gonna do those two today because I've been putting it off, and since it's a slower day today, it is the perfect time to do that. Nothing too crazy. We're gonna do the multi-channel fulfillment and then the global selling for Canada. So let's get to it. I'm really excited about this.
When you expand your business to an Amazon marketplace outside your home country,
You are my anxiety.
thank you for joining us. Happy selling!
This call may be recorded. We call this the multi-channel. For every orders.
Now I gotta keep it.
Okay, so I'm pretty sure I set up the Canada stuff already. I need to package up some boxes for Amazon USA later tonight, and I'm gonna try to send out a box to Canada. So I'm gonna see how like the process is for that. But next I'm gonna go onto my Shopify store, and then when I'm done with that, we're gonna get started on the campaign. Like, I've been waiting for the sun to come out really, and it's not. It's a pretty gloomy day. But it'll be fine when I edit stuff. Like, hopefully what I do for the campaign turns out fine.
ready to speak to an advisor, press 1. If you'd like to cancel, a Shopify support advisor will be with you as soon as possible.
Alright, so I have changed. I got off the phone and so far so good. I obviously didn't complete everything. Probably finish up later tonight for sure. But now, before it gets dark, because it is already 1:15. So I'm gonna do the campaign that I have, and I'm gonna try to take like a couple of pictures around the house. I'm not gonna make it like a full like photo shoot day because 1, the apartment is not completely clean. 2, things aren't really like set up really. Like there's changes that are happening in my apartment. But for now, I need to keep drinking some water and get started. Something else that you guys didn't see on camera was that my UPS guy came, or my USPS guy came. I like to get my online orders shipped out every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Today's Wednesday, so he picked some up, and then others that had to be shipped out with UPS I just took this morning. I'm so excited to work on this space. I'm gonna work on it hopefully this weekend. If all goes well, then maybe by next week we'll have like the makeover and I'll share with you guys everything. It's not gonna change like drastically, but it's gonna be different. I'm excited. What I'm gonna do is work on a reel, and then I have to do like a couple pictures. I'm working with this food prep company that is literally saving my butt because on busy days, like I have the hardest time remembering to eat. The Well journal is helping me, but this is helping me a lot more. So the app that I use to make my reels, well, it depends what I'm doing. So once I have the whole video set up, I add that into my camera roll, and then I go into this app called Teza. I use that app, add a filter, brighten it, things like that. And then you could do like stop motion. So I do a lot of that for like my stories and stuff. But for today's, I'm gonna be using life lapse, and I love life lapse. That's what I use to do my time lapse videos. That's what I'm gonna do today. Not the entire video is gonna be time lapse, just the beginning. So you'll see. All right, so it's just gonna be, this is the app that I'm using. I don't know if you can see. So it like takes the picture and then and then I just keep clicking to add the next picture, and then it just puts them all together. Okay, so this is what it turned out like, but I think I need to redo it because it doesn't look even. So that's what it looks like, and that's exactly what I was going for. So gonna redo that. Luckily it doesn't take that long. I'm hungry now, so I'm gonna eat one of them, and then it'll be like plated and look cute. So I'm really excited because I'm starting to get really hungry now. All right, you guys, so I just got done with doing all the campaign stuff, and I even took some time to take a few pictures. Not that much really, but yeah, I need to clean up and just have like a cleaner work environment, because after I do that, I need to edit the campaign stuff so I could turn it in so I can get approved, and then I need to go back into Shopify and Amazon stuff and work on that. And I'm really trying to hurry up and finalize some products so that I can add more things into the Classy Casita shop. So yeah, fingers crossed that I hurry up and do that so I can have some more stuff available, because I'm really excited to have more items on the shop. Yeah, let's just go ahead and clean and just go with it. I need another coffee too, so I'm gonna make another one right now. I don't know if you guys can ever hear my neighbors, but I have these neighbors upstairs that are so... I'm pretty sure you guys can hear them. They're always so loud, and I don't understand. I remember when I moved over here on my own after my breakup, I got here, I heard them arguing because they get loud. And then I was like, oh my gosh, there's nobody that I can argue with. How great is that? So in the beginning, it was great. They reminded me that there's nobody that's gonna bother me. Except I guess them. They're pretty loud. But anyways, time to clean up so I can keep working. All right, we are back here now. I finished cleaning up, and now I'm going to get back to work. I'm gonna write in my Well journal because I had my lunch. Oh, and I didn't share. I had the egg roll bowl one. That one was so good. I saw some emails, so I'm gonna respond to those emails and then get started on editing that stuff. And then I'm gonna send everything to the brand so that they can approve it. and that's gonna take a while. So I will check in with you guys after I do all of that. All right, you guys, it is officially dark. It's 6:18. I've literally been in the office the entire time. I'm turning on all the lights and closing the windows. I'm wearing blue light glasses. These are not prescription. I have prescription. These aren't prescription. These are just blue light glasses. I am waiting for some prescribed glasses. They just are taking forever due to COVID or whatever. But yeah, I did all the editing for the campaign. I sent everything to the brand so that they can approve it. And then I got caught up for like an hour just like being on social media and seeing the news, and just everything is horrible. But I am starving, so I'm going to eat. I'm probably gonna have another one of those Snap Kitchen meals because why not? I have more stuff to do, so I'm gonna do that. Let's go ahead and see what we're gonna make. I don't know if this video is gonna be so damn long. I'm so sorry if it's long. Oh, it's so cold in my apartment. Honestly, I want some comfort food, so I'm gonna have this spaghetti turkey bolognese. Then I'm going to work on the couch for the rest of the night. I have to finish working on my store and like Amazon stuff, and I'm talking to some people overseas about stuff. And they're waking up right now, so I'm gonna talk to them and just do email stuff. I think that's it. I just want to focus on like my shop stuff right now. I was working on the Shopify and Amazon stuff, but I need to get a call back from Shopify because there's like a question. So while I wait for them to call me, I'm going to print out a label for this wholesale order that I have. This will be the first Portland shop to have my meters. After this, I need to package up some more boxes for Amazon just so I can stay in stock, because now that I'm selling more, it's doing well, it's selling more. Amazon now requests that I send more inventory. I can't wait to fix my setup. Also can't wait to get rid of this Christmas tree. Alright, so I just got done. I'm just sending these two out, and then I have that one that's a wholesale order. So it just takes some time because I have to add these cards in there for my Amazon customers, but I'm gonna close these up. I already have the labels, and while I was doing that, Shopify called me back. There's like an issue with it, so tomorrow I'm just gonna call Amazon. Other than that, what time is it? It is 8:30. I also got a little sidetracked because my mom called me, so I talked to her for a little bit. I am so tired, and I'm also very sore because of working out and stuff, but I think I'm gonna eat a little snack and drink a lot of water because I just realized I did not drink that much water today.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. Just got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say.
All right, so done with that. I'm gonna have a snack, and then I'm gonna do my night routine, and then I'm just gonna be chilling on the sofa on my laptop because there's a few things that I didn't get done that I'm gonna dabble in to lead me to do tomorrow. And then I'll edit this video tomorrow to go up on Friday. I'm hoping to get into bed early. Never happens. I usually sleep like at around 11 or 12, but I'm trying to get into bed by 10. But yeah, let me know if you guys enjoyed this type of video, if you like seeing like day in the life vlogs. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. But yeah, thanks guys, and I'll see you next time.
Everyone's looking like they know what I'm pursuing. I'm trying not to give them the time of day.